Support your hearing naturally. When I first started working on the formula that was to become Audifort, I never would have imagined in a million years that I would one day help thousands of people from around the world fulfill their dreams of supporting their hearing health. It's people like you that make all those years of research and testing worthwhile, and I hope you manage to get the most out of Audifort while I can still afford to produce it at these prices. Every bottle of Audifort comes with a full 90-day guarantee. You can try it out and see its improving effects on your hearing with absolutely no risk whatsoever. Andrew Ross, creator, Audifort. Order 6 bottles or 3 bottles and get 2 free bonuses. Take care of your hearing starting today. Get the Deep Sleep Activation Protocol and the Brainwire Regeneration Blueprint ebooks for free with your order. Discover natural methods to maintain healthy hearing and boost your well-being. Concerned about maintaining your ear health? Have you noticed moments of mental fog or found it harder to focus recently? If the idea of needing extra support for your hearing feels overwhelming, you're not alone. The good news is, you can support your ear wellness starting today. Our new and improved Audifort formula combines carefully selected, all-natural ingredients designed to promote overall ear comfort and cognitive clarity. Order now. Real customers, real life-changing results. Sabine G. Verified purchase. I treasure my peace and quiet more than anything. So I'm well aware just how important the health of my ears is. Knowing that by taking Audifort I'm feeding my hearing these essential nutrients helps me sleep better at night. Definitely give this one a try. Sabine G. North Carolina, USA. The 19th of May 2025. Purchased Audifort 6 bottles package. Jonathan S. Verified purchase. It's only been 3 weeks since I started taking Audifort, but I love how easy it is to take and how well it works to support my mental sharpness. I put a couple of drops in my morning coffee and just go on my way. I've even shared my supply with a few friends and they're already coming back for more. Jonathan S. Texas, USA. The 6th of April 2025. Purchased Audifort 6 bottles package. Frequently asked questions. Audifort has provided amazing hearing support for men and women in their 30s, 40s, 50s and even 70s. Because it was engineered based on teachings of modern science, Audifort formula is very gentle yet very powerful at the same time, using pure plant ingredients and natural minerals. And you can rest assured knowing it's assembled in the USA from the finest of foreign and domestic ingredients. 100% satisfaction guaranteed, 90-day money-back guarantee. Audifort comes with a 100% money-back guarantee, 90 full days from your original purchase. If you're not totally and completely satisfied with our product or your results within the first 90 days, simply let us know by calling our toll-free number or dropping us an email and we'll gladly give you a full refund within 48 hours of the product being returned. That's right, simply return the product, even your empty bottles, anytime within 90 days of your purchase and you'll receive a full, no questions asked refund, minus shipping and handling fees. Scientific references. Rebooting the brain helps stop the ring of tinnitus in rats, National Institute on Deafness and Other Communication Disorders, NIDCD. The link between hearing loss and Alzheimer's disease. White, P.M., Dotzelhofer, A., Lee, Y.S., Groves, A.K., and Segel, N., 2006. Mammalian cochlear supporting cells can divide and differentiate into hair cells. Nature 441, 984-987. Tinnitus epidemiology, prevalence, severity, exposures and treatment patterns in the United States. What herbs are good for hearing loss? Neuroprotective potential of phytochemicals, G. Fanny Kumar and Farhath Khanum. A Course in Miracles by Helen Schuckman. Identification of medicinal plants of Urmia for treatment of gastrointestinal disorders. The benefits of California poppy, Eschscholzia californica. Tinnitus is the result of the brain trying, but failing, to repair itself. Georgetown University Medical Center, January 2011. Free radical production and ischemic brain damage, influence of post-ischemic oxygen tension, Agad CD and others. B vitamins in the brain, mechanisms, dose and efficacy. A review, David O. Kennedy, February 2016. Mapping cortical hubs in tinnitus. Winfried Schlee and others, November 2009. Intracranial mapping of a cortical tinnitus system using residual inhibition, William Sedley and others, April 2015.